Ryobi clamping station is a versatile tool designed for securely holding materials in place, perfect for woodworking, metalworking, and other projects. With a clamping force of up to 2,204 pounds, it can handle heavy-duty tasks. Its adjustable jaws accommodate materials up to 940 mm wide, offering flexibility for different project needs. Constructed from durable steel, it ensures long-lasting performance. The station is also compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, it provides both reliability and efficiency. The Ryobi Link rolling storage system offers a durable and versatile way to organize and transport tools and equipment. Made with impact-resistant materials, it withstands tough conditions while protecting your belongings. Featuring a wide steel telescoping handle and 9 inches all-terrain wheels, it's easy to maneuver even with heavy loads up to 200 pounds. The IP65 rating guards against water and dust, while integrated bit storage and organizer bins keep tools accessible. Compatible with other Ryobi Link components, this system is customizable, portable, and designed to enhance productivity and durability on any job site. The Ryobi 36-volt HP brushless crushing shredder is an efficient tool for managing garden debris with ease. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers superior power and efficiency, handling branches up to 40 mm thick. The shredder's whisper technology ensures quieter operation, and its 7-tooth blade provides effective shredding. It features 2 speeds for optimized performance, an LED jam indicator, and reverse mode to clear jams effortlessly. With foldable legs for compact storage and cordless convenience, it's a powerful, user-friendly, and environmentally conscious choice for shredding garden waste. The Ryobi 36-volt power station inverter is a portable power solution that converts Ryobi 36-volt batteries into 240-volt AC power for a variety of electrical devices. It features a pure sine wave output, providing stable power that is safe for sensitive electronics like laptops. Equipped with USB-A and USB-C ports, it enables simultaneous charging of multiple devices, while a 240-volt AC outlet supports larger appliances. The inverter's compact and lightweight design includes a built-in LED light with adjustable brightness, adding convenience to outdoor adventures. Compatible with Ryobi 36-volt batteries, it is perfect for camping, emergency backup, and outdoor activities, delivering reliable power wherever you need it. The Ryobi USB Lithium Power Scrubber is a compact, rechargeable cleaning tool designed for a variety of cleaning tasks. With 2 speed settings and a maximum speed of 300 revolutions per minute, it delivers effective scrubbing power for thorough cleaning. Its lightweight design ensures ease of handling during use, while its water-resistant IPX7 rating allows the scrubber to be submerged in water up to 3 feet deep for 30 minutes, making it ideal for wet environments. The scrubber is compatible with all Ryobi cleaning hex shank accessories and features a USB-C charging port for convenient recharging. It also includes an LED fuel gauge that displays battery status. The kit comes with the power scrubber, a 2.0 amp-hour battery, a USB charging cord, and a 2-inch medium bristle brush, all backed by a 2-year warranty. The RYOBI RASV18BL is a powerful cordless stick vacuum cleaner designed to provide efficient cleaning performance as part of the RYOBI One Plus system. Powered by a brushless motor, it ensures strong suction for a deep clean, while the anti-tangle floor head prevents hair and debris from blocking the brush roll. With multiple power modes, you can adjust the suction power to match different cleaning tasks, and its long battery life offers up to 42 minutes of runtime when using a 5 ampere-hour battery. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle and maneuver, allowing you to clean tight spaces with ease. Compatible with other RYOBI One Plus batteries and chargers, this vacuum offers great flexibility and is an ideal tool for versatile cordless cleaning. The RYOBI 26 pieces 1/4 inches socket set is a comprehensive tool set designed for versatility. It includes a 1/4 inches drive ratchet and 25 sockets in both SAE and metric sizes. The 90-tooth ratchet allows for a 4-degree arc swing, making it perfect for tight spaces, while the quick release function ensures easy socket changes. Large socket markings and 6-point sockets provide easy identification and maximum torque without rounding fasteners. The set's chrome finish enhances durability and corrosion resistance, and the included storage case keeps everything organized. Ideal for home and professional use, it offers reliability and convenience. The Ryobi USB Lithium Volume Inflator RVI4 is a portable and convenient tool for inflating and deflating various items like air mattresses, pool inflatables, beach balls, sports balls, and bicycle tires. It features fast inflation, capable of inflating a twin air mattress in under 90 seconds. The versatile design allows both inflation and deflation, while the compact size makes it highly portable. It is IPX4 water resistant, ensuring durability for outdoor use, and is USB rechargeable for convenience. Additionally, it has a built-in LED work light for better visibility and onboard storage for easy accessory organization. Ideal for outdoor activities or home use, it's a reliable and practical tool. The Ryobi One Plus RYOBI18BL is a powerful 18-volt cordless impact wrench designed for both automotive and construction tasks. It is equipped with a brushless motor for enhanced power and efficiency, providing up to 450 Newton-meters of nut-busting torque, making it ideal for challenging jobs like removing stubborn wheel nuts. The impact wrench offers 3 speed settings and an auto-stop mode for precise control, particularly when working on car wheels. Tri-beam LED lights enhance visibility in dimly lit areas, while its compact and lightweight design ensures ease of use, even for overhead tasks. Part of the Ryobi One Plus system, it is compatible with over 200 tools, offering great value for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Ryobi Table Saw Stand RATS SS210 is a portable and sturdy stand designed for the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus HP cordless 210 mm table saw. Its compact design allows for easy folding, making it convenient for storage and transportation. Built with durable materials, it can handle the weight and vibrations of the table saw, ensuring stable support. The stand is tool-free for quick assembly and has a maximum load capacity of 113 kilograms. Weighing only 6.8 kilograms, it combines portability with functionality, making it a great choice for efficient and versatile woodworking projects. The Ryobi 360-degree LED light delivers an impressive 3,800 lumens of bright illumination with 4 individually adjustable panels, providing full 360-degree coverage for versatile lighting. Featuring 4 brightness modes, high, medium, low, and single panel, it offers flexibility for various lighting needs. The light is equipped with versatile mounting options, including a handle for handheld use, compatibility with 2x4 lumber for mounting, and an integrated hanging hook for added convenience. With a 6.0 amp-hour battery, it offers up to 15 hours of runtime in single-panel mode and is part of the Ryobi One Plus system. Note that the battery and charger are sold separately, and the light may heat up with extended use. Ideal for automotive tasks, home improvement projects, and camping, this light ensures reliable and powerful illumination across diverse environments. The Ryobi FVT51K USB Lithium Heated Cushion Kit is a portable and cordless solution to stay warm in cold weather, making it ideal for outdoor activities, travel, or camping. Powered by 2 2-amp-hour USB lithium batteries, the cushion offers 3 heat settings. Low at 43.3 degrees Celsius, medium at 54.4 degrees Celsius, and high at 65.6 degrees Celsius, with up to 5 hours of runtime on the low setting. The built-in power bank allows for charging of mobile devices via a USB Type-C port, making it even more functional. The cushion is 7.6 centimeters thick for added comfort, and the weather-resistant design ensures its suitability for outdoor use. While it is priced slightly higher than other heated cushions and requires Ryobi USB lithium batteries and charger, it offers excellent portability, comfort, and convenience for various outdoor applications. The RYOBI FVA51K USB Lithium Verse Compact Speaker Kit is a portable, rugged speaker designed for outdoor use, featuring premium sound quality with a powerful speaker and tweeter. It boasts an IP67 dustproof and waterproof rating, allowing you to take it anywhere without worrying about the elements. The Verse technology enables seamless multi-speaker connectivity, letting you link over 100 RYOBI Verse products, such as the USB Lithium compact speaker and 18-volt 1+ clamp speaker, for an enhanced audio experience. With up to 6 hours of runtime on the included 2 amp-hour USB Lithium battery and the ability to recharge while listening via the USB-C port, this speaker is perfect for those who need a durable, high-performance audio solution for outdoor activities. The RYOBI 18-volt 1+1 gallon power spreader is a cordless, battery-powered tool designed for easy and efficient application of various lawn care materials. Powered by an 18-volt 1+ battery, it features a powerful motor with a spread width of up to 5 feet, ensuring even coverage. The 1-gallon capacity allows you to cover a significant area without frequent refills, while the adjustable flow rate provides precise control over material distribution. Versatile enough for use with grass seed, fertilizer, weed control, and ice melt, this spreader offers the convenience of cordless operation, making it a great choice for maintaining your lawn with ease. The RYOBI 2-speed random orbit buffer is a cordless, versatile tool designed for polishing, waxing, and buffing various surfaces, part of the RYOBI 1+ system, allowing you to use the same battery across different tools. It features 2 speed settings for adjusting speed based on the task, random orbit motion to minimize swirl marks and deliver a smooth, even finish, and a compact, lightweight design for easy handling in tight spaces. The buffer offers cordless operation for added flexibility and convenience, and typically comes with 2 bonnets: an applicator bonnet for applying wax or polish, and a buffing bonnet for removing excess product and achieving a high-gloss finish. The RYOBI USB Lithium 4-in-1 Stapler Nailer Kit is a versatile tool designed for a variety of fastening tasks, including driving light-duty staples, heavy-duty staples, round crown staples, and brad nails. It features a USB rechargeable 3.0 amp-hour lithium battery, offering convenient cordless power capable of driving over 600 fasteners per charge. The tool can be easily charged with a standard USB charger. Its compact and lightweight design ensures easy handling and reduces user fatigue during extended use, making it ideal for tasks such as furniture upholstery, installing insulation, fastening chicken wire, and other general home improvement tasks. The RYOBI 80 volts, 1000 watts power source is a portable, eco-friendly power solution with 1,800 starting watts and 1,000 running watts, providing ample power for charging devices and running small appliances. It features pure sine wave technology, ensuring safe use with sensitive electronics such as laptops and smartphones. The power source includes multiple outlets, such as a 120-volt AC outlet, USB-A and USB-C ports, making it versatile for various applications. Ideal for recreational use, remote job sites, or home power outages, it offers zero emissions and quiet operation, making it suitable for indoor use. Its portability is enhanced by compatibility with RYOBI 80-volt batteries, and it provides extended runtime when connected to the RYOBI 80 volts riding lawn tractor. This power source is a clean, efficient, and reliable option for on-the-go power needs. The RYOBI 18-volt 1+ hybrid Verse Link Bluetooth stereo is a high-quality portable speaker system that delivers immersive, studio-quality sound with a 50-watt subwoofer for deep bass and dual 15 watts mid-range speakers for balanced audio. It offers Bluetooth streaming with a 250-foot range, FM radio with 10 presets, and 4 equalizer modes for customized sound. Powered by either a RYOBI 18-volt 1+ battery or an extension cord, it includes Verse technology for connecting multiple speakers up to 125 feet apart with no app required. Weather-resistant and equipped with a USB charging port, this speaker is a versatile choice for any occasion. The RYOBI 18-volt 1 plus 20 GPM Submersible Water Transfer Pump Kit is a versatile cordless pump designed for efficient water transfer. It provides a powerful flow rate of 20 gallons per minute with a 1/6 horsepower motor and offers a high head height of 23 feet, making it ideal for tasks like draining flooded basements. Its fully submersible design eliminates the need for manual priming, while a 3-mode automatic shutdown timer and water detection sensor help extend battery life and prevent damage. Built with a removable base plate for added stability, a built-in strainer for handling debris, and a cordless design for use in areas without a power outlet, this pump is easy to use, efficient, and durable, making it a valuable tool for both homeowners and professionals. The RYOBI Drywall Repair Kit offers a quick and convenient solution for minor drywall repairs with its unique 3-step method: cover, drill, and spackle. Designed for ease of use, the kit includes a template, hole saw, and mandrel to streamline the repair process, saving time compared to traditional methods. Its clean-cut design minimizes mess by leaving the plug in the wall, making it suitable for small hole and dent repairs. Simply cover the hole with the template, drill to guide the hole saw flush with the wall, then apply spackle, sand, and paint for a smooth finish. Ideal for homeowners, this kit provides a user-friendly way to handle minor drywall repairs efficiently. The RYOBI Rotating Wash Brush is a practical pressure washer accessory that provides gentle yet thorough cleaning for various outdoor surfaces. Equipped with low-pressure rotating bristles, it safely cleans delicate surfaces like cars, boats, RVs, and patio furniture without damage. The soft bristles and orbital action are designed to remove dirt, grime, oil, grease, and road film effectively while preventing scratches. Compatible with most pressure washers up to 3,300 psi, it features a 1/4-inch quick connect system, bayonet connection, and M22 connection for wide versatility. Simply attach it to your pressure washer to start cleaning with ease, making this brush an efficient choice for outdoor maintenance. The RYOBI 3-piece rail system onboard accessory storage set is a versatile organization solution that keeps tools and accessories easily accessible. The set includes a rail system base, which acts as the secure mounting point, a 180 degrees pivoting magnetic tray attachment for convenient access to fasteners and hardware, and a magnetic bit bar attachment that holds up to 4 impact driving bits. Both the tray and bar feature magnetic surfaces to prevent small items from slipping out of place. The set also comes with 4 impact bits and 2 mounting screws for easy setup, and it is compatible with various RYOBI tools, making it an excellent choice for both workshops and job sites. Now that we have the room lit up, the RYOBI Air Grip Compact Laser Level offers one of the coolest and simplest ways to establish a perfect line. This innovative tool uses a clever, battery-powered vacuum mechanism that activates a rubber seal on the back, allowing it to stick instantly to most smooth, dust-free surfaces, eliminating the need for tape, tacks, or clamps. Simply place it on the wall, press the button, and it holds tight while projecting a clear horizontal or vertical laser line up to 20 feet across the surface. It is perfect for hanging pictures, installing shelving, or marking precise trim lines without leaving a mark. After you've used the level to mark your garden fence, you might notice the yard cleanup is overdue. The RYOBI Link. Lockable and open tool organizers are part of the versatile RYOBI Link modular storage system, designed to efficiently organize, transport, and access tools and belongings. The lockable tool organizer cabinet has a 200-pound weight capacity, a durable 21-gauge steel body, 4 integrated tool slots, a 6-position adjustable shelf, and is compatible with the Link wall rail or direct stud mounting, offering security with Link's locking technology. The open tool organizer shelf features a wide surface, 4 power tool slots, onboard hand tool storage, and supports up to 50 pounds. These organizers provide a customizable, portable, and secure storage solution built for durability and accessibility, making them ideal for efficient tool management. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.